Yo, what's poppin', GE Gangsta Boy Food? We are back. I said we are back with another tape. Nah, I don't know. We back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to all my people that smell good, look good, feel good. You know what I'm saying? All the gooderies. We went type crazy on the live. I don't know how we got onto the discussion of funkery. We got a we got a discussion of funkery. That's a felony, class A. Okay. Don't be funky. And the only reason you don't smell yourself and know if you funky is if you used to being funky and you just don't smell it. No, I don't know. Go back and watch it live. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. How about people doing today, man? This is Wednesday, man. We turned up. We having fun. We get into some videos. That's the main objective today. We are getting to some videos. The internet is acting right, so I'm just banging them out, going through my DMs, going through my emails, just banging out videos. That's the type of time we on. And I'm having fun doing it. This is my happy place. I tell you guys that all the time. When I'm going through real life, I come on here. This is my happy place. I know I'm gonna get a good laugh, or I'm gonna get a real conversation. I'm gonna get a real something. Okay. So with that being said, we about to get into a video. 65-year-old woman gets tased, resisting arrest. Hey! Taser! 65, not grandma, not Nana. OBGYNA. Okay. Before we get into the Nana getting taser, what? We definitely got to really be on our meepers, okay? We really got to be on our meepers because I respect the elderlies, but the elderlies don't got no respect. It's kind of hard. Tap down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know how you doing, where you at, what you doing with the meepers, okay? How your day went. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually, okay? I'm still tapping in on my water. I'm still trying to I'm still on my transformation. Don't ever get it twisted. I did me and my brother got a bet going on who could lose the most weight in 2 months. So basically $100 a month. So the bet is for $200. Feel me? So make sure you hype your boy up. Make sure you be on my arse because I don't want to lose because he ain't gonna let me. He ain't gonna let it go. He ain't gonna let it go. So that's what we on. But let's go ahead and tap to the video. Nana, come on. Hey, let's get the video to 1,000 likes. Please come in and tap the video. This is the only way these videos get out to the world. The more views we get, the more money we can give back when we do our giveaways. I'm just letting you guys know, keeping it. Well,
I drive to Kingfisher. I drive it to Guthrie. You guys stay off the interstate.
Live here in town?
No, my name's Hamill. I live out on Highway 74.
Hamill, huh?
Yeah, Hamill.
Hamill.
Gotcha.
Showing the whole idea.
Hank?
Blur that
His
out.
mother.
Oh, okay. Get insurance.
Did you see if I own the vehicle? Because it's on.
All right. Appreciate it. Yeah, busted taillight seems to be a pattern with the Hamills.
Well, you had a headlight out on one of your cop cars the other night.
We did?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I just don't tell you.
We should have.
Oh, Grandma got a little bit of funk in her.
For me.
A little bit of funk. She said, well, I ain't telling y'all.
Stay in the vehicle. You've had that for 6 months.
Oh, yeah. And we're just looking for a bed because we can't find a short bed. I mean, my brother's looking for it.
Can you at least get the light?
I don't know if I can get the light. They've got lights on them, don't they? They do have lights in them, and they do work.
Well, it's broken.
Yeah, I know it's broken.
So if you hit your brake lights, that white bulb's going to blind somebody at night.
Oh, okay. Well, can I put red tape on it? Will that work?
Yeah, but I don't think red tape's going to help you there. You don't have enough plastic to tape over.
Well, you know, I kind of hate to buy one if I'm going to get the whole bed and it's going to have everything on it.
I got you.
You know?
Grandma's still trying to shop at the dollar store for the car. Well, it don't make sense to me, baby. Like, if I'm going to get the whole truck battery, I don't want to replace the little light. I'm eventually, Grandma, it's been 6 months. Go pay $140 off eBay for a new tail light. What is he talking about? A new truck bed, you know how much it's going to cost? You're not going to pay that no time soon. And he said, it's a problem with your family, with the Hamills and tail lights and the headlights. Grandma sure want a bargain, don't she? But I'm here to tell you, you can go get one on eBay, Grandma, Nana. I'm going to bake me some pie type, but get together, okay?
Oh, I just don't want to spend the money.
I understand.
And, you know, I don't drive it to Texas. I don't drive it in the city. I go to Guthrie, Kingfisher.
Fix did. You just said out your mouth it was fixable. You didn't want to do the little fixery. Tail light might cost you between. You can go on eBay. I promise you can get a deal. And then they got to go. You go on eBay. They got buy, bid, offer, whatever. If something's $100, you can offer $80. They might accept it. Between $80 and $150. Now you get a ticket for $80, and you still got to get it fixed. So you still coming out more money. Nana, I understand a bargain. I know how y'all get down. Couponed out. I get it. But you just said out your own mouth it was fixable. So it's kind of like you kind of going, like, what are we talking about? Like, do you know the word that just came out of your own mouth? Grandma, now telling you step out. Please, I beg of you.
Behind your back. Lay down.
Grandma, take it, man.
Your back. Now.
I will stand down. Too late.
No, you will not. You're going to get it again.
Don't have a heart attack, Grandma. Grandma, this is insanery.
Don't move. .305 dispatch. Go ahead and start EMS. Taser deployed. One female custody.
Clear.
Why didn't you just sign the damn ticket?
It ain't about how you feel, Grandma. You're wrong.
Do you realize you just got yourself in a whole lot more trouble?
Told you weren't going to arrest me. I pulled him here thinking that you would not.
Are you crazy, Grandma? You've been on this earth 65 years. You should know better than that.
All right. Tase, so they got to check you out.
Well, can you just stand me up?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hip. Like, oh, don't do the arms that way.
Well, how do you want me to hold you up?
I don't know.
Why
Can
don't
you get me in front?
How about you just lean up against my leg, all right?
Lean up against your leg.
Yeah. Wait for them to get here.
And wait for him to get here. Can you pick me up?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Help me get her up. There we go. Come on over here.
Terminated.
Who was that?
Yeah, 10-4, she's in custody.
Who was that?
Deputies on their way.
How long has this truck been around here like that?
Sir, you guys go stand over there.
Oh, the workers?
All you do is sign the ticket.
305, would you like any
But don't
deputies?
you realize, listen
That
to
way.
me a minute. Do you
Hold on. 305, can you 10-9 that?
realize something? Nobody wants to.
Would you like any deputies to still continue that way?
Negative, deputies can 1022. Probably going to need EMS out here to check her out. If you can go ahead and get a hold of GNS wrecking.
EMS has been advised.
All right, walk to my car, ma'am.
Can I shut my pickup off?
I'll turn it off for you. Come on.
So, like, there's no way 6 months.
That's the taser core. They're going to get that out of you. All right.
Get it out of me.
Yeah, there's 2 prongs in you.
2 prongs in me. Oh, cute.
You.
Go ahead and have a seat. I'll turn the air on. I'll let you cool down.
Can you pull your seat up or something? Or
That's as much as we got.
But can you, well, just listen to me a minute. Do you know that nobody wants to come to Cashin for any reason whatsoever because they know it's going to be an $80 fine for some dumb something all the time?
Well, when you're driving around like that, where do you think you can go driving around and get away with like that?
Guthrie, Kingfisher, because I'm going through Kingfisher right now to go to Loyal.
You may not listen.
And I've bought groceries.
You may not like the laws, but we're here to enforce them. Whether that be in Cache in Oklahoma County or wherever. Okay? You guys are going to learn the hard way that we're not putting up with it.
Who's you guys?
Just the
You're
citizens.
saying the Hamels.
The citizens. The citizens of Cashion. All right.
Citizens of Cashion.
You break the law in Cashion, we're going to enforce it.
Yeah.
Gotta
Whether you're a
respect it.
Hamel or not. Okay?
No, you did this.
Okay.
And every time that we try to find.
Fire, 3 to 305.
Grandma got excuses like a mother. That's it? Grandma been on this earth 65 years. And I guess she been getting her way too long. Because I don't feel like I should. And I've been getting, and my family, your Hamels are known for it, baby. Like, I love it when people don't care if it's a small town, big town. They're going to enforce the law. They're going to do their job. That's what they got hired for. Listen, we're going to do our job. I don't care who you are. I don't care how big your family is. I don't care if they own half this country. This land out here. I don't care. I don't care if we buy our cattle from you or our meadery. You getting tased. You going to follow the law or you know it's going to go down. Grandma, come on. 65 years on this earth. And you acting like one of these YNs. And then you got the nerve to put it off on somebody else. Well, I don't feel like I just... That's going to repeater in my head. Well, I don't feel like I should have. And I knew you were going to arrest me, so I drove off. That doesn't make sense, Grandma. Cut it out. Tell me down in the comment section, man. Grandma's getting tased down? Oh, Lordy, Lord. I sound like my grandma.